Hello my friends, welcome back. Leanna here. Today I am unboxing my Singlesswag. I'm a little behind on getting this done. And the Singlesswag box is kicking my butt. There's what the inside of the box looks like. Comes with the card, and the card has all of the items in it, and it also has the total retail value of the box, which is $222. And I don't remember what I paid for it, and I forgot to look it up. However, I will put that information down in the description box so that you can find it. This is my second Singlesswag box, I think. So, it comes with cake. Every box will have a food item in it. Don't send the hotties food. Singlesswag, no food. You can put 2 in somebody else's box and just not send me one, okay? The retail value of the Mr. Cake Lemon Cake is $4. And next I have some Scrunchies. I don't remember the last time. I have this little one on my... I've got to move this box, y'all. It's right in my face. I have this little one on my wrist that Christina sent me, this little silk, because I'm getting ready to go bowling, and I know that when I start getting serious with that bowling ball, I'm going to have to put my hair up. But I don't normally wear... Look at the little thing on it. And this one, is this like 1980s type stuff? And that one. And now that I've put my hands all over it, I washed my hands, y'all, before I started. I'm putting it back. And I will put that in your giveaway box. Did I say how much those were? Scrunchies. Oh, there they are. $15 for the Scrunchies. And next we have a candle. Y'all see Biscuit back there taking a bath. This is Sunset Park, it says. Oh, it just started raining. And it's in a nice tin. This is $18. It is a Metro Weave Lavender candle. I love candles, as you can see. Ooh, that smells really good. I would like for everybody to take note. Over on the side. I know I just saw Biscuit's face in the camera. I want it noted. For all of y'all that told me that Biscuit didn't exist, there he was. Y'all just saw him. The next thing in the box is Charlotte Starr Revitalizing Eye Mask. This retails for $35, and it's a firming mask that works to diminish the appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. See, I didn't even have to look at that. I knew that's what it was going to say. That's what they all say. Not being negative, but you know. Comes in a cute little jar. It's got a little seal on it. I'm not going to open it because I have 639 jars of eye cream that will reduce the fine lines and wrinkles, and as you can see, it's not really helping a whole lot. So I'm going to put that in your giveaway box because maybe it'll help you. The next item is Islands of Italy. Hand cream. Islands of Capri Peach Champagne hand cream, and this little bottle retails for $22. Lush Moisturizing Cuticle Cream. Okay. With antibacterial and moisture retaining properties. Leave your skin feeling silky smooth and bursting with vitality. Is it sealed? Nope. Oh, it had a, I unscrewed it, but it did have a little piece of tape keeping the lid closed. So I think I will keep this so that when I do my nails, because you know the nail polish remover is very hard on your nails. So I'm just going to put that on my nails. It smells really good. It's not a heavy scent, just very light and fresh. Maybe I shouldn't have done that before I go bowling, because then my hands are going to be sticky. Bowling ball stuck to my hand. Alright, so that's going in the keep pile. And next we have jewelry. This is Amelia Rue. There's always jewelry. This is a multi-strand layering necklace set, and it retails for $52. It measures 13.5 with a 6.5 inch extender, and double strand necklace measures 16 inches with a 4 inch extender. So let's open this and see what that looks like. Very cute little necklace set. I don't know that that's, I don't know, it might be worth $52. If you have been watching my videos for a while, you may have noticed that I don't wear a lot of necklaces, but if I do wear jewelry, my jewelry is silver. I prefer silver jewelry. So guess where this is going? In the giveaway pile. Next we have Empower Her Beauty Face It Sheet Mask, Collagen and Peptide Infused. Hydrating, soothing, and healthier looking skin. There are 5 masks in here, and it has 12-month shelf life, and I see the little leaping bunnies, so they are cruelty free. And this retails for $34. And so I will probably keep one of these so that I can try it out for my Mask Mondays, and then gift the rest of those in the little gift box. Next we have Floss, and I have one of these, Floss Beauty Lip Advocate. It's a sheer lip tint formulated with shea butter to deliver long-lasting hydration. It retails for $18. And I actually have this. I can't get it open. I actually have one of these in my purse to keep with me if I need it. And this is what it looks like. And it was up too high, so it's hitting the top of the cap, so I can't put that in the box, which was what I was going to do. So I will put that in my drawer, and probably take me a long time to get to it. The next item is L&M Rescue Butter Lemon Superfood All-in-One Rescue Butter. Vegan, cruelty-free, 98.58% natural. And it's made in the UK for Dr. Botanicals. And this retails for $24. Look at the clock, y'all, to see what time it is. You didn't come to the bowling. I was unboxing a box. I believe I have this. I'm 99% sure that I have it, so I'm not going to open it. Although I bet it has. Yep. It's sealed. Comes in a nice plastic bottle, and I'm looking out the window because it is pouring. I gotta go to the car to go bowling in the rain. So I'm going to add that to the giveaway pile. So there you go. That's everything that was in my Singlesswag. See, it's not just for singles. This is a good box for just about anybody. You see what it says? Love yourself. So you could buy this box just to pamper yourself or do something nice for yourself. If I remember correctly, when you go on their website, if you have any of the programs that help you find discounts like Rakuten, which I think used to be WikiBuy, and I have a link for that down in my description. You do not have to use my link. If you use it, I think I get like a percentage off or some kind of kickback. I don't remember what it is. I'm not asking you to use my link. But if you go sign up, and it's free to sign up, then when you go to websites like this, you can use that and it will provide you with a discount code and a cat hair. So I'm pretty sure that I got this at a really good discount. I think I signed up for 6 months. So if you're interested in doing something special for yourself, you can go check out Singlesswag for like 25 bucks, and then your box is worth $222. I'm not so sure that that stuff is really worth that much, but it's fun anyway. Do something nice for yourself. So there we go, another Singlesswag box unboxing. Thank you so much for spending a few minutes with me to watch me unbox my Singlesswag box. If you're new here, my name is Leanna. If you enjoyed my video, give me a thumbs up. It really does help out my channel. And hit that subscription button if you're not already subscribed. And I'd like to remind you that makeup is meant to enhance the natural beauty that you already are. And we are all beautiful at any age. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye-bye. Christopher. And your hair used to be long. It's not long anymore, but do you need a scrunchie? You could put them around your arm, you know, like a sweatband. You can't find those anymore. Then that way when you're fishing, you get hot and sweaty. And the ones that have the little long ribbon on them, you could tie those to the end of your fishing pole. Then that way you wouldn't need, you know, a bobber. You would just see the scrunchie bouncing up and down. Okay? Mama's a problem solver, son. I love you.